Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the topic and angle so your article has a single promise. Start with a narrow AI use case, then collect 3 to 5 sources and unique examples to cite. Once done, craft a working title, 2 to 3 subheadings, and a 50 to 75 word lead that states the benefit. This first concrete structure prevents scope creep. Make sure to save notes and links in one document so you can return quickly and keep momentum. You now convert research into a full draft by following your outline: problem, how it works, concrete examples, steps, and a tight conclusion. Use an AI assistant to produce a first pass, but always refine prompts, check factual accuracy, and set the voice to match your audience. Once done, add a diagram or shortcode snippet if it clarifies the point. Make sure to write between 500 and 200 words, and to label any technicals. You finish by editing for clarity and flow. Remove unnecessary jargon, tighten sentences, and ensure headings guide the reader. Once edited, optimize SEO with keywords, meta description, and alt text. Format bullets and code for fast skimming. Then publish and share on at least 2 channels relevant to your audience. After publication, monitor engagement metrics and reader feedback. If performance lags, iterate the headline, first paragraph, or example. Quick troubleshooting tip: if traffic is low, revise the title and lead and re-promote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.